guys, welcome back to Life with Sheila. I'm so glad that you are here. I did not mean to fall off the face of the earth and just disappear, but I kind of been going through some things over the last 2 weeks, I guess. And the first big thing that I'm going to share with you is that, as you guys know, I had divided my channel into 3 channels. It, of course, was here, Life of Sheila. I was just going to share vlogs, unboxings, hauls, that kind of stuff. And then I had my writing channel and the motivational channel. Well, it is all just coming back to this one. I have a lot going on, and I have a couple new adventures. And so I need to free up a little bit of, I don't want to say responsibility. I just want to say I don't need so much clutter. I don't need so much social media clutter to keep up with. And this is the best step for me. So it's going to go back to what it was before I split it up in May. You'll get vlogs, you'll get unboxings, you'll get hauls, you'll get motivational Mondays, you're going to get writing updates, you're going to get all that stuff. You guys actually, I felt like I was robbing you by taking writing away from this channel because you helped create one particular character in one of our stories. So it's all coming back here, starting today. So thank you for those of you who did go over and subscribe to those 2 channels. I will be posting a video saying pretty much the same thing. Then I'm gonna leave that up probably for a couple days, and then I will pull it all down and just have this one to worry about. And that is exciting for me. Next step in business. I wanted to share something with you. It was in motivational, nope, it was in, I think it might have been in the last Wordless Wednesday video. I'm drinking out of my writer mug today. Please do not annoy the writer. She may put you in a book and kill you. Just, just saying. Which actually, that could be a whole other story right there. But in my coffee today, I had shared this on a Wordless Wednesday video, but I never got to talk about it. And I had gotten it at Amazon. It is this Better Stevia. They're stevia drops, but this is in the peppermint cookie. I am using International Delights peppermint mocha. I don't think it's International Delight. I think it's Coffee Mate. I prefer International Delight, but they didn't bring the holiday flavors out year round. I happened to find some from Coffee Mate, and I was very excited. So I had gotten that and then ordered this, and it is just like heaven in a cup. I only drink maybe 1 or 2 cups of coffee a week. This morning felt like a good morning to sit down with a cup of coffee and chat with you. I've missed you. A lot of that falls on me, and we're going to get into that, but I have to share this next. And I got permission to share it. I'm going to cover her address the best that I can. I had gotten some mail from my sweet friend Diane. She had asked if she could send something. Of course, P.O. box is always down in the description box, but oh my goodness, you guys. First, do you see how cute she decorated? Like, that could be Shelby's paw, almost. I think it needs to be just a little bit bigger. It's so cute. But she wrote a very sweet and kind note on a card that she made, which I thought was so precious. And you guys are gonna die, because I almost did. My husband thought I was silly because I was so giddy, and I cannot wait to put them on. But she found me pink. Y'all know pink is my color. Some German Shepherd socks. How stinking cute is that? I'm like, Diane, you are so kind to think of me when you saw that. I appreciate you and the sweet gesture so much. And it came at a really good time. It was a good pick-me-up. So I thank you again. Through all the craziness in the world, that was a highlight of my day that day. So thank you so much. Now, I think it was last week. No, maybe it was the week before. I've been talking to a friend for a while, and she kind of been sharing her journey on some supplements that some all natural amazing things. And so she'd been sharing her journey for a couple months, and I watched her. And every now and then I would ask a question, kind of let it go, because I've never found a supplement or anything health related that didn't bother me, because you pay so much for things and they don't live up to their hype, right? So finally I inquired again. I told her I am just sick and tired of being sick and tired. And you guys, I am. I guess you all know how happy I was on my birthday and did my hair color, did all that fun stuff, and then I got the shingles. And then I still have issues with that, and my nerves, in my hand, and my arm. But I just feel like my body is falling apart. And I'm only 46. And I don't know about you, but I don't see 46 as being old. When 3 years ago, I was not old. I did not feel like I was falling apart. This is 2020, almost, probably about the last 4 years, 3-4 years, I felt like my body is deteriorating quickly, and I hate that feeling. Part of it was some things I've been doing to myself, and I know that. But I just need a boost of life and energy. And you guys know I am full of energy most of the time. I really am. But it's not long lasting. Sometimes it is, but I just want to feel good from the inside out. People can look good on the outside and feel like they are just dying on the inside. My husband is having a couple health issues as well. So we are starting a new journey, and I want you guys to go along with me. I will be sharing a lot on my Facebook page, but I will be sharing here too, because you guys are my fam, and I want to share the goodness with you as well. I was real skeptical at first, and I still am. I don't even have them in my hands yet. They are in process of somewhere between Utah and here. I don't know where they are quite yet. I think they went to Idaho last night. So I think that was the last update I had. So I am excited, and I'm excited to share that with you. And just the testimonies I've read about these products and personally talked to, and the more I read, I'm just like, wow, it makes a lot of sense. So many of us have adrenal failure and we don't even know it. We don't, especially Americans, we don't eat as well as we should. We might try to, but even I think our food sources don't have the nutrients our body fully needs. I'm not going to go on a long spiel. So I am starting a new health journey with a side hustle, all smacked into one. I'm still writing 2 books. I have a personal development book coming, and the Fearless Project. That's what we're calling it at the moment. It is fearless. Anywho, I had something else in mind, because I do have a 3rd secret project that I want to start working on, but I've got to finish these 2 first. And so I'm fixing to go hard and heavy. And I'm excited at the prospect of having the energy, the motivation, and the gumption and gumption to actually utilize the time that I'm given in my day. Mind you, I work full time too, so I need to plug my straightener back in. That just did not do well. So that is it. I just haven't really felt well. TMI for you guys, I skipped my cycle last month, and so I thought maybe I was going into menopause, which, I am 46, and it is about that time for it to maybe be considered. No. No, she just took a vacation. And that kind of had me down physically and energy-wise for several days. So today is the first day I feel like, yes, I mean, I even was ready enough and I thought, I'm going to do a video before I leave for work. So here I am to share with you, and I am glad to see you. Michelle, if you're watching, I am so sorry I did not do the Wordless Wednesday this week. I don't know if you saw the post in my community tab. I couldn't find the motivation to even film just stuff, knowing that I didn't even have to say anything. So I'm sorry. I will see you on Wordless Wednesday next week for sure. There you go. I think that's all the updates I have for you. Like your area, I'm sure, our little small town, our little small county, well, it's really not a small county, but our numbers are going nuts for the virus. Like 10 a day. And for us, that's a lot because we were holding off. We'd have 1, 2 here and there, and it'd go up by 2 at the most, 3. And then just about last week, I think it's last week when the numbers started climbing by 4 or 5, even 10 a day. And I think it went up even 13 yesterday. So it's just kind of gross. I don't know. So, of course, one of our favorite restaurants was opening, and now they're closed again. Well, they're closed on the inside. They are doing delivery and takeout only, which I think is kind of smart. We ordered delivery from there anyway. I don't know about you guys, but I like eating at home. I even like to eat takeout food at home. I don't know. Something about a restaurant that seems kind of impersonal. My daughter loves to go eat at restaurants still. The boys do too, I think, but I'd rather just eat at home because then I can eat and do what I want to do and move on. There's no traveling to and from. So that is my rambling and my catch up with you guys. I have missed you. I am happy to know that I decided to go against social pressure and social expectations of niching down my channel. I've heard a lecture over and over from various people, from various gurus, and all over YouTube that you should niche down your channel. Well, I am not your typical person, and I am not going to do that. Sorry. I know that some of you probably would prefer not seeing writing videos, but that's a part of my life, and that's my channel. It's Life with Sheila. Some days I'll talk writing. In fact, I need to, because I'm actually going to join a writing sprint tonight. Last week I joined her sprint, and the words just flew, and that was the first time I had written in 2 weeks, maybe 3. So it just gave me life again. It was kind of one of the things that says, okay, I'm making the right decisions now moving forward with my life. And I guess this week I took time just to evaluate a lot of different things. A lot of things. This channel is one of them. Not falling into social pressure of what other people think I should do is one of them. I am not the type of person that will be manipulated or told what I need to do. I don't care about numbers. I get a lot of hard time from people who don't even make videos about how long I've been on YouTube and why I'm still not monetized. Well, okay, YouTube is a hobby for me. It's not a career. I have a career, and I have a couple side hustles. That's where I get my money from. This is fun. This is a creative outlet for me. This is my way of sharing with the world just another way of living. This is my way of giving back motivation and inspiration and all that good jazz. And that's it. I have no expectations of becoming monetized. If it happens, it happens, but it's not my drive. It's not what makes me do videos. Yeah, there you go. So I am going to let you guys go. I need to finish cleaning up my kitchen and get dressed for work. I'm ready from the neck up. I just need to put clothes on. I try to stay in my PJs as long as possible. And I need to check on a couple shipments I have coming in. I should be getting, I do have something coming up that I will share probably next week. A company had approached me, and I would love to share this with you because I think it's very cool. Yeah. And then, of course, I will share my journey, and that should start next week. And we'll see if they live up to the hype. I'm willing to be a social guinea pig and show you from step one to wherever it takes us. Wherever it takes us. I believe everybody deserves to feel good. Everyone deserves to feel good from the inside out. We deserve our bodies to feel healthy and strong. We deserve for our mind to have clarity and be able to focus and be productive. I think being productive is a huge thing for me. That's probably why I'm always doing something. My husband will tell me all the time, you've always got to be doing something. Yep, I do. I'm not one to just sit around, and I have just sat around this last week. I haven't been myself, but it's coming. So thank you for hanging out with me for a few minutes today. I have missed you greatly, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.